Alors, pour ma troisième danse maintenant, c'est un mambo intitulé Man Smart, après 16 temps du pied gauche.
Ah man, don't disrespect. But I want to get them to the woman, them always out smart too. See that? Oh.
I said let us put man and woman together to find out which one is smarter. Some say men, but I say no. The wanna be the men, but you should know I'm not me. But the people they say that the men are leading the women astray. But I say that the women of today smarter than the men in every way. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, that's right. Ever since this world began, women must always teach a man. Listen to my bit attentively. I'm gonna tell you how she is smarter than me and not me. A lot of people they say that the men are leading the women astray, but I say that the women of today smarter than the men in every way. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, that's right.
You have some man with glimpse and them sparks. Say no woman never trick them cause them are the boss. But this is one thing I have to say. Woman will outsmart you one day. So hear this Solomon. He was the wisest man. They never know the secret of a woman. Them systems was the strongest man. Until a woman mash up them plan. You hear this? Them say no woman never trick them yet. To them marginal and them intellect. Them say no woman never trick them yet. Them a buy them and they love our voices. So hear me.
Samson was the strongest man long ago. No one could have beaten as we all know. Till he clashed with Delilah on top of the bed. He told her that the strength was in the air of his head and not me. But the people they say that the men are leading the women astray. But I say that the women of today smarter than the men in every way. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, that's right.
Oh, admit the fact that woman is smart. They get tricky and I hear myself break me heart. Oh, the woman them get no problem. We still can't do without them. You hear me? Them say no woman never trick them yet. To them marginal and them intellect. Them say no woman never trick them yet. Them about them and they love our voices.
Hey, I meet a girl for a pretty dance, thinking that you'd stand a chance. Take her home when she's alone. Open the door to find her husband home and not me. But the people they say that the men are leading the women astray. But I say that the women of today smarter than the men in every way. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, that's right. I was treating a girl independently. She was making babies for me. When the baby born and I went to see, eyes was blue, it was not by me and not me. But the people they say that the men are leading the women astray. But I say that the women of today smarter than the men in every way. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter. That's right, that's right. The woman is smarter. That's right, the woman is smarter.
Alors, je passe maintenant aux explications de Man Smart Mambo. Première figure, 8 temps. Alors, vous voyez qu'il y a 1 et 2, vous pouvez compter, ou vite, vite, lent. Vite, vite, lent, c'est la valeur du temps musical. Pied gauche de côté, 1 et 2. Même chose à droite, 3 et 4. Diagonale arrière, des arrêts cubains, 5 et 6, 7 et 8. Deuxième figure, zigzag, pied gauche. 1 et 2 on assemble et on pousse vers l'arrière. Et les deux pieds ensemble. Zigzag, on répète. 3 et 4 et. Demi-tour, 5 et 6. Arrêt cubain, 7 et 8 sur le mur arrière. Maintenant, sur le mur arrière, c'est une passe en continuité et chassé syncopé. Pied gauche, on avance. 1 et je tourne jusqu'au coin, parce que ça se fait en diagonale. 2, il est en diagonale. Mais ça se compte, celle-là, elle se compte beaucoup mieux en vite, vite et lent. Je vais compter en vite, vite et lent, vous allez voir. Pied gauche, vite, vite, lent. Croisé derrière, vite, diagonale arrière, vite, assemble et pointé lent. Croisé devant, vite, vite, diagonale avant, assemblé et pointé diagonale avant, lent. Demi-boîte arrière, vite, côté vite avec le 8e, on revient face. On a dansé en diagonale pour mieux reculer et avancer en diagonale. Maintenant, dernière figure de la première partie, là, que je dirais, là, c'est la quatrième partie. Kick, pied gauche. Kick ball change. 1 et 2. Flic arrière. Et 3. Je recule pied droit et pointe 4. Je garde ici, je fais des ciseaux relevés. Donc, je pivote 5, 6, 7, 8 avant. Cinquième partie qui tombe dans le That's Right. OK? Alors, un pas de base progressif. Pied gauche. 1 et 2. Petit kick du pied droit. Et 3 et 4. Alors, ça fait comme vite, vite, lent et vite, vite, lent. Ici, je prends au quatrième temps. Je prends un 8e à gauche pour faire ma renverse. Vite, vite, lent. Un croisé pivoté pour 7 et 8. Croisé derrière, vite, vite, assemblé, lent. Ou le 8e lent. OK? Alors, je répète la même figure identique sur le mur arrière. Dans That's Right, pas de base. 1 et 2 petits kicks. Et 3 et 4 avec un 8e de tour. Croisé derrière, croise, décroise, assemble. Croisé pivoté, croisé, décroisé, assemblé pour revenir face à notre mur de départ. Ça se danse juste sur un mur. OK? Et la marche à suivre, vous faites la routine 4 fois. Et après, même si, dans les 4 fois, là, même s'il ne dit pas That's Right, là, à un moment donné, vous continuez pareil. Il ne peut pas avoir trop de transition. Ça va très bien. Et à un moment donné, après 4 routines complètes, on refait les 4 premières figures. Et là, on continue That's Right et la routine jusqu'à la fin. Vous avez vu, la finale, c'est la première figure, la première partie qu'on fait pour terminer tout.